Our planet is like a magnificent jewel box sprinkled with extraordinary coastlines. Each one holds a unique beauty, a story whispered on the wind and etched into the rock. Join me as we embark on an adventure to explore the top 7 coastal wonders of the world. From the sun-drenched Mediterranean to the rugged cliffs of the Atlantic, we'll discover breathtaking shores and majestic cliffs. So, are you ready to discover the most stunning coastal landscapes on Earth? Buckle up and let's be off. Australia, the land of sunshine, surfing, and charming wildlife. Along its southeastern coast lies the Great Ocean Road. This isn't just any drive, it's a journey through natural wonders. Picture dramatic cliffs, pristine beaches, and the iconic 12 Apostles rock formations. These limestone sentinels, carved by centuries of wind and wave, are a testament to nature's artistry. Feel the wind in your hair, breathe in the salty air, and listen to the crashing waves. Keep an eye out for local wildlife like koalas and whales. Driving the Great Ocean Road is like stepping into a postcard. A leisurely stroll along the clifftop walks offers awe-inspiring vistas. The Great Ocean Road is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Italy, the land of romance, exquisite food, and divine coastline. Nestled along the Sorrentine Peninsula lies the Amalfi Coast. This is a place where time slows down, and every turn reveals a breathtaking view. Picture villages clinging to cliffs, sun-drenched vineyards, and charming fishing boats. The Amalfi Coast is a feast for the senses, the taste of pasta, the aroma of coffee, and the sound of laughter. Positano, with its cascading houses and boutiques. Ravello, perched high above the sea with gardens overflowing with blooms. Amalfi, with its Grand Duomo and charming piazzas. I recall sipping limoncello in Positano, the air filled with jasmine and citrus. The true beauty of the Amalfi Coast lies in its ability to transport you to another time and place. Embrace the Italian way of life, la dolce vita. Imagine a place where emerald green waters shimmer under a brilliant blue sky. The water is so clear that you can see the reflection of the sky and the surrounding limestone islands, creating a mesmerizing effect that feels almost otherworldly. Thousands of limestone islands rise majestically, their peaks shrouded in mist. These islands, formed over millions of years, stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the bay. Each island has its own unique shape and story, adding to the mystique of the landscape. This is Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Recognized for its outstanding natural beauty and geological significance, Ha Long Bay is a testament to the power and artistry of nature. The panoramic views from above reveal a labyrinth of islands and waterways that beckon to be explored. Legend has it that a dragon created the islands, carving out valleys and scattering rocks. This mythical creature is said to have descended from the heavens, its tail thrashing and creating the unique topography we see today. The dragon's spirit is believed to still inhabit the bay, watching over its creation. Whether you believe in dragons or not, there's no denying the magic of this place. The scenery is so enchanting that it feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The interplay of light and shadow on the water and rocks creates a dynamic, ever-changing canvas that captivates the senses. Glide through tranquil waters on a traditional junk boat. These boats, with their distinctive sails, offer a timeless way to experience the bay. As you sail, the gentle rocking of the boat and the sound of the water lapping against the hull create a soothing, meditative atmosphere. Explore hidden caves and grottos adorned with shimmering stalactites. These natural formations, created by centuries of mineral deposits, are like nature's own chandeliers, adding a touch of mystery and wonder to your adventure. Each cave has its own unique features and stories, waiting to be discovered. Kayak through secluded lagoons, surrounded by towering limestone pillars. Paddling through these serene waters, you can get up close to the intricate rock formations and perhaps even spot some of the local wildlife. The lagoons offer a peaceful escape, where you can immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the bay. Ha Long Bay is a place to reconnect with nature and lose yourself in tranquility. The serene environment, away from the hustle and bustle of city life, provides a perfect setting for reflection and relaxation. Here, you can truly appreciate the simple yet profound beauty of the natural world. I recall kayaking at dawn, the mist lifting to reveal the ethereal beauty of the islands. As the first light of day touches the water, the bay transforms into a magical realm where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur. It's a moment of pure serenity that stays with you long after you've left. Whether by boat, kayak, or relaxing on a junk, Ha Long Bay will capture your imagination. Each mode of exploration offers a different perspective, allowing you to fully appreciate the diverse beauty of the bay. The experience is both humbling and inspiring, leaving you with a deep sense of connection to this extraordinary place. It's a place that will leave you breathless with wonder. The sheer scale and beauty of Ha Long Bay are overwhelming, making it a destination that stays with you forever. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a moment of awe, Ha Long Bay offers it all. Aloha and welcome to the breathtaking Na Pali coast on Kauai, Hawaii. This is a place of untamed beauty and raw power. Picture towering emerald cliffs plunging into turquoise waters, lush valleys carved by rainfall adorned with cascading waterfalls. The Na Pali coast is accessible only by boat, helicopter, or hiking. Feel the ocean spray, hear the waves, and breathe in the scent of plumeria. The Kalalau Trail offers unparalleled views of cliffs and hidden beaches. Take a boat tour or a helicopter ride for unforgettable views. I recall a helicopter ride over lush valleys and cascading waterfalls. The Na Pali coast is a reminder of nature's untouched beauty. Reconnect with your wild side and stand in awe of the natural world. Ah, Santorini, an island of dazzling white houses, sapphire domes, and legendary sunsets. This picturesque island in the Aegean Sea is a dream destination for many, known for its stunning views, vibrant culture, and rich history. The island's unique architecture, with its whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches, creates a striking contrast against the deep blue sea and sky. Santorini is the stuff of travel dreams, captivating artists and romantics for centuries. The island's beauty has inspired countless paintings, photographs, and stories. It's a place where every corner seems to offer a new, breathtaking view, and where the light changes throughout the day, casting different hues on the landscape. Stroll through Oya's cobbled streets, where bougainvillea spills over whitewashed walls. This charming village is one of the most photographed places in the world, and it's easy to see why. The narrow streets are lined with quaint shops, cafes, and art galleries, each offering a unique glimpse into the local culture. Sip local wine as the sun sets over the caldera, casting a golden glow. The volcanic landscape of Santorini provides a dramatic backdrop for the island's famous sunsets, which are best enjoyed with a glass of Assyrtiko, the island's renowned white wine. Santorini is an island of contrasts: black volcanic beaches, red sands, bustling Fira, and tranquil Oya. Each part of the island offers a different experience, from the lively nightlife and shopping in Fira to the serene beauty and quiet charm of Oya. Explore the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, a reminder of the island's past. This archaeological site, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii, offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the people who lived here thousands of years ago. Santorini offers a blend of ancient and modern life. The island seamlessly combines its rich history with contemporary comforts, making it a perfect destination for those who appreciate both the old and the new. Relax on beaches, explore villages, and soak up the island's atmosphere. Whether you're lounging on a beach, wandering through a village, or simply taking in the views, Santorini offers a sense of peace and tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere. I recall an evening in Oya, watching the sun set over the caldera. The sky erupted in colors, casting shadows over whitewashed houses. It was a moment of pure magic, one that I will never forget. The sky erupted in colors, casting shadows over whitewashed houses. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the entire island seemed to glow with a warm, golden light. It was a sight that left me in awe, and one that I will carry with me forever. Santorini is a place that will stay with you long after you leave. Its beauty, charm, and unique atmosphere make it a destination like no other. Every visit to Santorini feels like a new adventure, with new memories to be made and new sights to be seen. Embrace the slower pace of island life and create lasting memories. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, sipping wine at sunset, or simply relaxing on the beach, Santorini offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. Ah, Ireland, the Emerald Isle with its rolling green hills and lush landscapes that seem to stretch endlessly. This land is a tapestry of vibrant greens, dotted with quaint villages and ancient ruins, each telling a story of its own. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of wildflowers and the distant sound of sheep bleating. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the beauty and tranquility of nature. And then, there's the wild Atlantic coastline. The Cliffs of Moher are one of Ireland's most dramatic natural wonders, standing as sentinels against the relentless waves. These cliffs are not just a sight to behold, they are a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. The rugged cliffs, carved by millennia of wind and water, create a breathtaking panorama that leaves visitors in awe. Stand atop these majestic cliffs, the wind whipping through your hair, and you can feel the pulse of the earth beneath your feet. The sheer drop to the ocean below is both terrifying and exhilarating, a reminder of nature's grandeur and our own smallness in the face of it. The cliffs rise dramatically from the churning waters, stretching for 5 miles along the coast. Each section of the cliffs offers a different perspective, a new angle from which to appreciate their majesty. The waves crash against the base, sending up plumes of sea spray that catch the sunlight and create rainbows in the mist. At their highest point, they soar 702 feet above the sea, offering unparalleled views of the Atlantic Ocean. On a clear day, you can see the Aran Islands in the distance, their rugged beauty a perfect complement to the cliffs. The view has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for centuries. It's a place where creativity flows as freely as the wind, where the natural beauty of the landscape ignites the imagination. Many have tried to capture the essence of the cliffs in words and art, but nothing compares to experiencing them in person. The Cliffs of Moher are a haven for wildlife, home to seabirds like puffins and razorbills. These cliffs provide a sanctuary for these birds, offering nesting sites and abundant food sources. Watching them soar and dive is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Peregrine falcons soar on the updrafts, scanning the cliffs below for prey. Their grace and power are a sight to behold, a testament to the wild spirit of this place. The cliffs are not just a geological wonder, they are a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Viewing platforms offer heart-stopping views straight down the cliff face. These platforms are strategically placed to provide the best vantage points, allowing visitors to safely experience the thrill of standing on the edge of the world. I recall a blustery afternoon exploring the Cliffs of Moher. The wind was fierce, almost knocking me off balance, but it was invigorating. The raw power of the elements made me feel alive, connected to the earth in a way that is hard to describe. The wind howled, the sea spray kissed my cheeks, and the cliffs took my breath away. It was a moment of pure, unfiltered beauty, a memory that I will carry with me forever. The Cliffs of Moher are a place to connect with the wild spirit of Ireland. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the landscape, you can't help but feel a deep sense of peace and wonder. It's a place where the soul can find solace, where the beauty of nature is a balm for the weary heart. Oh, Cape Town, the mother city nestled between mountains and the Atlantic Ocean. From Table Mountain to Camps Bay, the Cape Town coastline is breathtaking. Take a cable car ride to the summit of Table Mountain for panoramic views. Appreciate the dramatic beauty where mountains meet the sea. The Cape Town coastline offers a playground of possibilities. Stroll along the Victoria and Alfred waterfront with its shops and restaurants. Drive along Chapman's Peak Drive for breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Visit Boulders Beach, home to a colony of African penguins. I recall an afternoon at Boulders Beach, watching the penguins frolic in the surf. The Cape Town coastline offers something for everyone, from rugged beauty to vibrant energy. And there you have it. 7 of the most extraordinary coastlines our planet has to offer. From Australia's Great Ocean Road to Santorini's sun-drenched shores, each coastal wonder offers unique beauty. The world's coastlines are nature's masterpieces, a testament to our planet's power and beauty. I hope this journey has inspired you to add these destinations to your travel wish list. Until next time, happy travels.